another event. I'm here at Asri Bali here at Bacoor for 60th birthday hosting event for host Alvin. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, papakita nila kung gaano sila kagaling sumayaw. Okay? Come on! So join us, let's go! Okay. Palakpakan naman natin sila, guys. Yes! Pero ano po to ha? 1 year to pay. 1 peso per day Gcash. Come on, go!
Siopay, siopay, siopay.
Siopay?
Siopay.
Siopay?
Siopay, siopay.
Last chance, sir! In 3, 2, 1, go!
Siopaw, siomay, sioman. Siopaw, siomay, sioman. Siopay, siomay, sioman.
Sir! Sir! Alam ko, sir, hindi mo nagawa. Pero, pinasaya mo kaming lahat. So, you just won 200 pesos! Congratulations! Once again, happy birthday, Mommy Leticia. Happy 60th birthday to you. Happy 60th birthday, Leticia! Woo!